won't regret. Active on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Join Chaplet Gym Workout, let's make dreams come true. Coach Chaplet will guide you through. To achieve your goals, he's here for you. Whether you want to get fit or stay healthy, lose weight or gain, he'll make it easy. Impossible is not an option. With Chaplet by your side, he'll push you to your limits. With him you'll glide. Every workout, every session, you'll feel the burn. But with Coach Chaplet, it's your turn to learn. Coach Chaplet will guide you through. To achieve your goals, he's here for you. Whether you want to get fit or stay healthy, lose weight or gain, he'll make it easy. Together we'll conquer, together we'll rise. With Chaplet's motivation, reach for the skies. No challenge too big, no goal out of reach. With Coach Chaplet, lessons he'll teach. Coach Chaplet will guide you through. To achieve your goals, he's here for you. Whether you want to get fit or stay healthy, lose weight or gain, he'll make it easy. So join Chaplet Gym Workout, take the leap. With dedication and passion, your goals you'll keep. Remember, with Coach Chaplet, possible is the key. Get fit, stay healthy, with Chaplet you'll see.
Yo, it's Coach Chaplet, stepping on the scene, got the fire burning, ready to make you lean. Tired of feeling sluggish, that lack of energy, time to unleash your potential, feel the synergy. It's not just about the gym, the sweat, the grind, it's about the whole package, the mind and the kind of fuel you put in, the choices you make. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll never break. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact, but what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being, Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing. With joy and energy as you reach your goals, from the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Diet, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from balance, no surprise. Nourish your body with wholesome delight. Fruits, veggies, lean protein, shining bright. Hydrate your system, keep those fluids flowing. With Coach Chaplet's wisdom, your body's glowing. Listen to your body, it's a symphony of strength. Fuel it wisely, it'll reward you at length. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact, but what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being, Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing. With joy and energy as you reach your goals, from the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Let's make a change, together we'll conquer. No more rearrange, embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge stronger, a new you today. On Chaplet's guidance, you'll never be lost. In the world of fitness, you'll pay the cost of a healthier, happier you. It's worth the fight. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll shine so bright. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact, but what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being, Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing. With joy and energy as you reach your goals, from the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Coach Chaplet leading the way to a healthier, happier you every day. the lies. Real results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower to fight. High intensity, low impact, whatever your style, we'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Listen to your body, fuel it with care. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll go far. Six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll be free. Flatten that belly, sculpt your core, get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency, discipline, you'll find. The key to success, it's right in your hands. With Coach Chaplet, you'll understand. So time to move and let's make a change. Together we'll conquer, then we'll rearrange. Embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge stronger, a new you to gain. You to gain.
Coach Chaplet, taking part in daily exercise is vital for a healthy lifestyle. And choosing a physical activity that raises your heart rate is ideal. However, it's important to remember that whichever type of exercise you do is good for you. It doesn't matter if you can't run, but if you prefer to do yoga or Pilates because you enjoy it, then do it. The important thing is you do what works for you. Exercise is not a one-size-fits-all. Small amounts of exercise each day, even if that's a leisurely walk, can be a great place to start to improve your physical and mental health. Coach Chaplet help you too when it comes to reaching your weekly targets for fitness. Remember that the more vigorous the activity you do, the less time you will need to spend doing it each week. If you try fast-paced sports with friends such as football or netball, you will notice your speed slowly start to improve as your fitness gets better. However, doing a mix of both moderate and vigorous activities during the week is an easier way to ensure you hit your exercise target.